We're going to lay that off to the side. And then it says to very gently remove the C-clamps off there. Because boy, we don't want this thing to come apart very quick, do we? We want to be nice to it. Yep, we want to be kind of nice to it. Because I don't know how it goes together yet. I don't know which plate goes where. That's kind of why I'm videoing this, is so that I'll know. Yep, look at that. Now, I'm going to make a little cleaner area to work with. Move some tools out of the way. Here's our plate, our brake plate. And if you look, you can see all the dirt and the rust and the garbage on it. So that's kind of a forlorn of what we're going to have to deal with. Here's the retaining clip. And there's that. And then you got all these springs. 6 of them. I'm going to set them off to the side too. Alright, now let's see what we got. Well, I don't look all that bad. See that? That disc has still got some left on it. But it's worn pretty good. So we're going to take that, and we know it went in this way, so we're going to flip it over and set it down. Then we're taking another one of these plates, one at a time. I'm hoping. That stuff is just sticky. Oh yeah, look at that plates. If you look, you can see the rust on the back of the plate and on the ears and the burnishment, and we know that goes that way. And then you got this one, and that one's kinda bare. I don't know. I don't think it's supposed to look like that though. What do you boys think? Let me know. Bleep bloop it down there below, like Vice Grip Garage says. And then we got this one. That one's completely shot. That's supposed to be a friction disc. Yep, that one's completely gone. Nothing left to it. And then we got this one. This one's kinda goobered up. If you look at it real good, it's all goobered. You can see all the grooves in it. Put that down. And then this one, that one's kind of all worn out too. It don't look too good. And then you got another one of these clutch discs. They got the, oh, look at that. The material's just completely gone. Just completely gone. And they came up that way. So we're going to put it back down that way. And then this one is all burnished up, and you can see the bluing on it. And yep, we're going to set that right there. And then there's that one. And that one is, you know, that's the back side of it. We'll bring you back over here and get you up close to look at some of these. That was kind of like that. Oof. Yep. Great Northern, I think he was right. Them clutches are, yeah, they're shot. Here's the last one. Yep, I think that one's kind of boogered up too. It's got a big old groove in it back here. And then this is your piston. And your clips. And this is the last fiber disc here. This one don't look too bad. That one was like that. And then this one's like this. Yeah, I think I'll bring you guys over here and we'll get a closer look at it. So just stay right there. I got to get you off the camera. Okay. See that? That's kind of... We'll go this way. That way it stays good. That one's kind of garbagey. Yeah, you could see all the stuff down in there. Yep. So we're going to turn this one this way. Because again, this went down into here. Those round spots, that's where them springs sat that went down in these grooves. Here's the next clutch disc. Oh yeah, mint. And then you got this one, look at this. Stuff right down in there. See that? That ain't no good. No, sir. That's not good at all. And then this one, yeah, these are just ugly. Just ugly. And then that one, yeah, these are supposed to have clutch material on them. These are pretty well shot. Yep. Pretty well shot. And then you got this one. The back of it don't look too bad, but where it pushed up against that disc, that thing is just toasty. And then there's this one. That's the back side, remember? And now this is the front side where it pushes up against that clutch disc. Them are kind of garbage. Yep. And then here's another disc. That one is, I think that one's wore right out. Yep, I think that's wore right slam out. And then you got this one. Oh, see, look at that. And then you got this one. Oh yeah, yep. See, that's a problem. I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to do that. And then this clutch disc is just warped, literally warped. It's so burned up and so hot, it's just garbage. Yep. Then we got another spacer. That one's no good. That's no bueno. See, that one probably went like, look at that. That went like that. That went like that. And this is the outer one. It was on the outside. So the inside, all the way at the end of the stack, and the outside, all the way at the end of the stack, aren't really all that bad. I'm not going to keep them. And then, if you look into the inside of that, look at all that. Look at all that debris down in there. Oh, that's not good. That is not good. That's not good at all. Now, you remember I said look at all the forlorn stuff of what I was talking about? Yep. I think this tractor had a lot more water in it than what I thought it did at the time. I think I overpaid a little bit, but you know, hey. But yep, now we're gonna get her cleaned up and see what we can do. We'll be right back.